Don't fry the chicken. Put it in boiling orange juice and the result is incredible. Here I've put chicken drumsticks in boiling orange juice, and after mixing we'll cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. After this time, add the spices. Add 3 chopped cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and a lid and cook for another 2 minutes. Now let's stir and let the orange juice reduce. Now that the orange sauce has reduced, add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let's stir, and what a beautiful color it's getting. Tell me, have you seen this recipe before? Now I'm going to add water. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. How I wish you could smell this, it's wonderful! The time has passed and now let's stir again. Continuing, we'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of mustard, and this is the most perfect chicken I've ever eaten. And add a tablespoon of honey. Keep stirring now so that the ingredients are coated in the chicken. These ingredients will give this chicken a perfect flavor. This combination with the orange juice is splendid. This chicken looks mouth-wateringly delicious. Every time I make this chicken here at home, there's nothing left. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. And tell me, how would you rate this recipe? Because your opinion is very important to us. Look how tender the meat is. And it's so juicy and tasty. You don't need to fry chicken anymore. It's a very easy and simple recipe that will please your taste buds. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.